Feedly, when lifelong learning is important to you. I have a question for you. You're in the grocery store line. You're in the waiting room at the dentist office. You're filling the spare minutes between any two activities, and the tool you have at hand is your phone. Here's my question. What are you looking at? This post is about the answer to that question. For me, it's not my email. It's not Facebook, and it's not Twitter. I'm looking at the new content from the blogs I enjoy. They're all in one place, and that one place is Feedly. Feedly is free. You can have it on your computer and your mobile devices. Everything syncs from one to the other. I learn something new every day, and often it's from a blog post written by someone I've never met who will never know they added value to my life. Here's where this audio ends. Read the text of the post and then create your own account. Make the most of those spare minutes. This has been Frank Buck. Thanks for listening. Now go and make today count.